Hello and welcome. This is the Gshock GM-2100 and I'm going to show you how to change your daylight saving time mode. So let's get started. From the standard timekeeping mode, and that's the mode when the watch tells the time, press and hold the upper left button until you hear the beep. And there it was. Now, once there, press the mode button once, and we are in the position of setting our daylight saving time mode, or turning it on or off by pressing the lower right button. As you can see, I'm shifting it between on or off. Once you turn on or off your daylight saving time mode, simply press the upper left button once, and the watch will go back to the standard timekeeping mode with your time changed and your daylight saving time mode turned on or off. Thank you very much for watching, and if you are into watch related content, please subscribe. So thank you.